In this video, I am going to show you how to find your Discord token. If you need to retrieve your Discord token for any reason, follow these steps. 1. Open your desktop browser and go to the Discord website. Log into your Discord account using your credentials. 2. Once logged in, click on the three dots located in the upper right corner of your browser window. And from the drop-down menu, choose More Tools and then select Developer Tools. In the Developer Tools panel, navigate to the Application tab. This tab should locate next to Elements, Console, etc. Within the Application tab, find the Storage section and click the drop-down arrow next to Local Storage. Locate the Discord URL in the Local Storage section and click on it. In the Filter field, type token to filter the results. And then click on the Toggle Device Toolbar button located in the Developer Tools panel. Your Discord token will be displayed. You can copy it, selecting it, and using it, or note it down for future references. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.